Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. Today we're going to be reading a story called Interrupting Chicken. This book is called Interrupting Chicken, right, Papa? Yes. Now please, don't interrupt the story. And this book is by Ezra Stein. It was bedtime for the little red chicken. All right, said Papa. I'll read you one of your favorites. And of course, you're not going to interrupt the story tonight, are you? Oh no, Papa. I'll be good. Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel were very hungry. Deep in the woods they found a house made of candy. Nibble, 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 they began to eat the house, until the old woman who lived there came out and said, "What lovely children! Why don't you come inside?" They were just about to follow her when... Out jumped a little red chicken, she said. "Don't go in, she's a witch." So Hansel and Gretel didn't. The end. Chicken? Yes, Papa. You interrupted the story. Try not to get so involved. I'm sorry, Papa, but she really was a witch. Well, you're supposed to be relaxing so you can fall asleep. Let's try another story. I'll be good. Little Red Riding Hood. "Take this basket of goodies to Grandma," said Little Red Riding Hood's mother. "But don't stray from the path. The woods are full of danger." Red Riding Hood skipped through the deep woods, and by the time she met a wolf that wished her good morning, she was about to answer him when... Out jumped a little red chicken, and she said, "Don't talk to strangers." So Little Red Riding Hood didn't. The end. Chicken? Yes, Papa. You did it again. You interrupted two stories and you're not even sleepy. I know, Papa, I'm sorry, but he was a mean old wolf. Yes. Now get back into bed. Okay, Papa, let's try one more little story and I'll be good. Chicken Little. Chicken Little was hit on the head by an acorn. The sky is falling, she thought. She was about to run off and warn Goosey Lucy, Ducky Lucky, Henny Penny, and everyone on the farm that the sky was falling when... Out jumped a little red chicken and she said, "Don't panic! It was just an acorn." So the chicken didn't. The end. Chicken? Yes, Papa. You did it again. Oh, Papa, I couldn't let that little chicken get all upset about an acorn. Please read one more story and I promise I'll fall asleep. But Chicken, said Papa, we're out of stories. Oh no, Papa, I can't fall asleep without a story. Bedtime for Papa by Chicken. Once there was a little red chicken who put her papa to bed. She read him 100 stories. She even gave him more milk, but nothing worked. He stayed awake all... Papa? Good night, Papa. The end. I hope everyone liked today's story. I know I did. That one was pretty funny. So I hope you guys all have a great day. I will see you guys again tomorrow, and always remember to be responsible, respectful, and safe.